All right, so here's a look at this dog ramp by Paw, and this is going to be a cool ramp because it's got a couple of cool features to it. First thing I want to show you though is the height. So right now we've got it on the second tallest, but let's put it up here at the tallest. You can see it'll easily go over this couch, and I would say that our couch, these are recliner couches, so this is going to be relatively high. If you've got a couch that's even taller than this should still work. Now at the highest height right now, this is about 21 inches, so very high at the top end. Then if we want to bring it down to the very bottom, and this is what it looks like underneath, just to show you, these will just hook into each slot. You can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different settings. Now this is what it's going to look like on the lowest, which is extremely low. So if you've got, I don't even know whose couch would be this low, but this is very low. You could use this for other things as well. Maybe you've got like patio furniture outside, but this is going to be great for dogs who are just having a little bit of trouble going up and down either the bed or the couch. This is also great if you just want your dog to get used to utilizing steps instead of jumping up and down. I mean, you got to think about it. They're jumping off of the bed and the couch multiple times per day, and that's definitely going to be hurting their joints. So we wanted to make sure that we got something so that we can kind of protect our dog's joints. So let me get this back up here to the regular height. You can see this is what it looks like all set up. And I love the fact that they have these grooves on here. So you can see it's a very thick kind of carpety material, very strong, and their nails are able to really grip into this. It's got these small grooves that go all the way up the ramp, but it also has these large steps. So as they go up, they'll have a little spot to step their feet on, and they're able to get up here nice and easily. Now this is also great because you're able to bring it with you pretty much anywhere. A lot of the other ramps that I've seen on Amazon, they're basically like a large chunky piece of furniture that it's like, if you don't have it out, what are you going to do with it? So having this one is great because you're able to fold these pieces in this way, and then you can actually fold this closed like a case. And you can see here on the side, it's going to have these hooks that will hook and snap in just like that. And then you've got a carrying case. So this is great if you're going to bring it with you to someone else's house. If you need to bring it with you from the inside to the outside, or pretty much anywhere around, you could just carry this with you. And it's a really nice quality handle as well. It's almost like a leather handle that's screwed into the wood here. When you undo it and you're going to set this up, it also will have these hooks over here on the other side. So you can kind of set how high you want it to be. So let's say we want it to be right there. Now this is a little bit wobbly, but it has these hooks over here on the side. So you basically just snap this into place here. You go to the other side, snap this one in, and reset that up like that. And now you can see that everything is locked into place. One thing that I do want to mention about this though is that it is made of wood down here at the bottom. So if you're going to be putting this on some hardwood or luxury vinyl planks, anything like that, you want to make sure that you get some non-stick little feet to put down here at the bottom, just so that it's not sliding around. Or even if you've got some type of rubberized mat that can go underneath this, that'll help it to be even more stable. But it's going to work perfectly right out of the box here on carpet. So if you're looking for something to train your dog to go from the floor to the bed or couch, or reverse walk on down, then I think this is going to be a great option for you. It's got these ridges, it's got a nice sleek simple design, and you're also able to bring it with you pretty much anywhere. So if you're looking for a good dog ramp that could pretty much do it all, I would definitely recommend this one.